This video is for all those people who have their phones, smartphones, like they're not charging properly, or it just take hours and hours to full recharge. Okay, so what you want to do is you go to your charging port, okay, and then get a sharp thing. Okay, don't use any wood because it's gonna break in there and then cause any mess. Just get a sharp thing, a metal one, and then don't go too heavy with it, and then just start scraping because there's a lot of dirt build up in there, you know, because you've been with it, let's say, for a year or more, and then you never even clean it. So there's that build up around it. So whenever you put that charge in, it won't charge properly because it's being blocked. Okay, it cannot send all those energy through the phone. So what you're gonna do is get a sharp thing, and then through the charging port, just scrap a little bit, rub around it a little bit, and then blow it. Don't blow it so bad that your saliva can get in there and mess up everything. But you will see like wonders. Just that's it. Seriously, unless you have other issue, I don't know. But for me, I've done that with couple four phones, mine, my lovers, and some other friends, and it was charging properly like it was new. So that's the only issue it has. Just try to clean it up. That's it, and it's gonna work like a champ.